Hi guys, let me show you my huge Tira haul. First up is my absolute favorite, this beautiful cushion mousse eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty, and it's in Star Glazer shade. This is such a beautiful formulation. Look at it. It looks like stars are sparkling into this. It's like a glitter but not a glitter but eyeshadow. तो इसको ना मैं just यहाँ पे हल्का से लगाती हूँ. Already मैंने लगाया हुआ है. तो आप देखो, अगर आप सिर्फ इनर कॉर्नर्स पे, not even full eye, it can be a perfect night makeup if you do smoky eye and on top of it you do it, or even if you're wearing some eyeshadow, maybe espresso eyes, and then you do it, it looks beautiful. Just look how gorgeous, and it glitters when you move. And this is like the perfect dupe for your Urban Decay Moon Dust or Too Faced Fairy Dust eyeshadow. It's like a perfect affordable dupe. It only costs 350 something right now on Tira on sale, and it is absolutely a grab deal. Especially we know that New Year, Christmas is coming. It's gonna just take your look to the next level, trust me. And 350 rupees is just nothing. It's beautiful. It's gonna last you really long. Also, if you're someone जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा eye makeup नहीं आता, कि 3-4 layer करना, smoky eye करना, इतना कुछ नहीं आता, but you still want to get that stunning look and look like you're a pro, I think this is the perfect way to wing it. You can just apply it all of your eye and it looks beautiful, but I think it's more for a night look. Next, I got this beautiful Tira Pep Tint, which is a lip plumping peptide lip balm, and this is so beautiful. I also love this cute keychain that it comes with, so you can just like wear it on your jeans or something to just keep it handy. And एक और चीज़ जो मुझे इसकी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, the applicator head. You see, it's so thoughtfully designed. ये थोड़ा सा flattened है, so it sits on your lip fully. So इसको मैं squeeze करके दिखाती हूँ आपको. इतना ज़्यादा hydrating है, I can't even tell you. I'm so glad if उसका color भी ना एक nude warm brown है जो winter appropriate है. And I also compared it with Indie Wild, and you won't believe the consistency is so close, which is so stunning, because Indie Wild you get it at 700, 800 maybe on sale, but this one you get it only for 300 something right now on sale on Tira, and it is so stunning. Like if you've been someone who's wanting a luxury lip balm and I've been waiting to buy one, maybe you can try this one. It's really luxurious on lips. It's so hydrating and the color is so beautiful. Next, I've not seen something this cute in a while, guys. ये देखो ना कितना cute है. ये Sheglam का viral blush है, ये liquid blush है. तो अगर आप liquid blush में हो तो यार इसे एक ले लो, क्योंकि तो ये बहुत लंबा लास्ट करेगा. फॉर द प्राइस इसका पैकेजिंग देखो कितना बड़ा है. छोटे से ब्लश होते हैं ना जो इनकी क्वांटिटी भी कम होती है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स रियली लाइक बिग ऑफ अ सरप्राइज. और कुशन एप्लीकेटर की कवरेज और साइज देखो कितना बड़ा है, जेनरस है. I'll just put it and show you. इतना प्यारा वाला पिंक है यार, but definitely the qualities, it's not drying especially, and it's like really sits well and blending तो इतनी easy है. मैंने बिना देखे भी blend करती हूँ, मुझे पता है कि ये blend हो जाएगा. It's so beautiful and just at 500 right now. Next, I got this Kimrika gift set. It has like a hand cream, body wash, body lotion, bathing bar and a bathing salt. So that's amazing. It's a whole treat for your girlfriend. Actually, I have some friends to meet and I was thinking कि मैं अपने लिए भी कुछ सामान ले लूँ तो उनके भी ले लूँ. So when I go, I'm gonna gift them this for New Year's, and I think it's so amazing. Smells so nice. उसकी packaging is so beautiful. There are a lot of gift sets also at great discounts on Tira right now. Next, I ordered a foundation brush, and I've not been using a foundation brush for a very long time. I usually prefer using my hands. It's so luxurious looking. Look at this gold toned brush. I love how it looks. और सबसे ज़्यादा इसकी brushes, they are so nice and compact and thick, so it really is a quality material. I'm yet to use it, but looks really nice. यहाँ से पतला है तो it gives you a nice grip as well, and यहाँ से काफी buffed and thick, so looking forward to using it. Lastly, they're giving a lot of free gifts, so I got this whole full size of Profusion Eye Spectrum eyeshadow for free, and it has so many colors, so I'm so excited to use it, because चाहे कितने का भी ऑर्डर कर लो, जो फ्री गिफ्ट होता है ना, आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट्स ऑलवेज सो स्पेशल. मैं सबसे पहले बॉक्स खोल के इसी को ढूंढा, एंड इट इज रियली नाइस, रियली पिगमेंटेड. आई हैव जस्ट यूज्ड इट वंस एंड आई थिंक इट्स गुड. दैट्स अबाउट इट. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. टिल द नेक्स्ट टाइम, बाय बाय.